Hello, my name is Rafael Salgueiro. I'm a student of computer science at Universidad de Lleida in Spain, and this is my 4 virtual machines with the Liquid Galaxy. You can see it's fully working. And first of all, I want to try this application, the RAS. Charge the KML data. Perfect. And then I want to try this other application. That's the Subnode viewer. Here you have satellite charger and the simulation running. Perfect.
Hello guys, this is Ashutosh Srivastava and I'm pursuing my BTech in Computer Science from Triple IT Hyderabad. I would like to show you guys around in my Liquid Galaxy rig. Take a look. So this is my Liquid Galaxy rig. LG1 is the master machine and it controls the slave machine. I can zoom in and move around the planet. Now let's start with the Liquid Galaxy controller. The Liquid Galaxy controller enables us to switch planets. Let's say I can go to the moon and I can come back to Earth. It also has the option of going to a specific place, like there are some places listed here, and we can zoom in on them by selecting them like this. So it zooms in on Sherato, Red End. So this is the place that we've zoomed into. Now let's move on to our second app, which is the TinyGS visualization app. Let's make sure it's connected. Let's choose one of the satellites. Let's send this to LG. Send to LG. And now the satellite loads onto the main screen. You can see the satellite is there. Then you stop its orbit. And clear cameras. The other app is this. You can So this selects that area, and then you can also clear KMLs. And then moving on to the last app is SAT NGS Visualizer. You can connect to it and you can view in Galaxy. So it goes to the actual satellite. So thank you.
Hello, this is Atharv Muntakar from India and this is my Liquid Galaxy setup. So these are my 3 virtual machines along with the BlueStacks controller, and this is the Liquid Galaxy controller app. So now we'll move to the moon. I've already entered my connection data, so that shouldn't be a problem. And we can also visualize Mars. Now back to Earth. So that was app 1, and now we'll go to the La Palma Voltrek app, where we'll build a custom app. The map would consist of tremor data and lava flow, and we'll press visualize in LG. So as we can see, the second app is also working. It shows us the tremor data plus the lava flow of La Palma. And now we can go and clear the KML in LG tasks. So that's, and now we can go ahead for the third app, which is the rocket launcher app. It's already connected, so we can visualize the Starlink 436. Now it shows everything about the rockets, and so this app is also working. And now we can go ahead for the fourth app, which is Smart City Dashboard. It is disconnected now, so we'll connect to the LG. As you can see, it becomes connected. The app logo also changes from the rocket launcher to Smart City Dashboard. And now we will draw a weather map of New York. So this is New York dashboard for weather. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Peter Atif. I'm a senior engineer at Faculty of Engineering at Cairo University, specializing in computer engineering. Today I'm gonna share my progress for the first task. So now I'm gonna share with you testing 4 different applications. I installed them from Play Store. Let's try the first one, which is Liquid Galaxy Controller. Okay, as you can see, when the application is open and it's connected to the master machine, like Apple Tower. So we are going to Apple Tower. Actually, that's the most useful thing about Liquid Galaxy. You can feel the power of your applications. So I love it so much. Okay, the Apple Tower. Also, we can go to another planet. Let's go to Mars. Loading Mars. Okay, that's cool. Okay, now we have Mars. Let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, nice. We can see that all the machines are synchronized together. Let's go to the moon. Alright, loading moon. Okay. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, you can see that there are satellites here on the moon. Beautiful. Alright, I think those are information about the moon. So that's it about the first application. Let's move to the second one. Okay, the second app is Smart City Dashboard. So this app is created to get information about the famous cities around the globe, to know about the weather, environment, health, education, and even more. So let's try it. Okay, the first one is New York. Let's go to New York. You can see that the master is going to New York. Okay, let's move our map here, and you can see that all the machines are synchronized with moving the map inside the application. That's cool. Alright, let's try another one. Okay, let's tour all of the cities. I love this feature actually. Okay, it will try different cities automatically. As you can see, the logos are on the left. Okay, cool. Go to another city. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so the tour, and let's jump to the third app. Alright then, my third app is Locate Voice CMS for Liquid Galaxy. So let's try it out. Let's take a tour. Okay, on the choosing the planet. Okay, World Airport. So visualizing World Airport in Liquid Galaxy. As you can see, we are moving to the airport. Okay, that's cool. Alright, you can say that after the app we can change a planet, so we can go to the moon, for example, so loading moon. Okay, the fourth app is La Palma Volcano Tracker. It's a cool app actually, so let's try it out. Okay, let's choose one of those. Okay, those visualize in LG. So, as you can see, cool. Very nice. Then go to another location. Cool. Okay. We are orbiting around the location. So thanks a lot for watching my video. I hope you like it. So please contact me if there is any questions, and I'm looking forward to share with you the next tasks. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.